What if I told you that 90% of people using ChatGPT are basically driving a Ferrari, but never shifting out of first gear? They're stuck asking for essays or quick answers, while completely missing out on tools that could transform their business, studies, or even daily life. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you 25 powerful features, with real examples, that'll change how you use ChatGPT forever. I'm Alex, and I've spent months testing and breaking ChatGPT to see what it can really do. And trust me, it's not just a chatbot, it's a productivity powerhouse, a business tool, a creativity partner, and even a life coach, if you know how to unlock it. Grab your notes, let's dive in. Feature 1. Instant Business Brainstorming. Want a side hustle but don't know where to start? Instead of Googling for hours, just ask, "Give me 10 unique business ideas under $500. You'll have viable options in seconds. Feature 2. Content Repurposing. Got a blog post? Turn it into a Twitter thread, LinkedIn post, or TikTok script. One idea, multiple platforms. I've repurposed a single script into 6 posts in under an hour. Feature 3. Email Assistant. Hate writing emails? ChatGPT drafts professional replies, persuasive pitches, even apology notes. One friend landed a freelance gig this way. Feature 4. Social Media Captions. Stuck on captions? Tell it vibe, funny, professional, motivational, and get 10 options instantly. Feature 5. Research Assistant. Instead of reading 20 articles, ask for a summary. I once got the latest breakthroughs in AI medicine boiled down into 5 bullet points. Feature 6. Language Tutor. Practice Spanish, Japanese, French, whatever. ChatGPT can quiz you, explain grammar, or role-play conversations. Feature 7. Role-play Scenarios. Preparing for an interview? Let ChatGPT be your interviewer. I know someone who practiced this way and crushed her interview. Feature 8. Personal Coach. Need structure? Ask for a 30-day productivity or fitness challenge, complete with checklists. Feature 9. Idea Validation. Pitch your business idea and let ChatGPT poke holes in it, so you can fix problems before launch. Feature 10. Creative Writing Partner. Stuck writing? Use it to brainstorm plot twists, backstories, or dialogue. I wrote a short story in 30 minutes this way. Feature 11. Code Debugger. Not a programmer? Paste your code in, and ChatGPT explains or fixes it, like a free coding tutor. Feature 12. Custom Recipes. Tell it your random ingredients, like chicken, peanut butter, and rice, and get a real recipe back. Feature 13. Travel Planner. Going to Paris? Ask for a 5-day itinerary with restaurants and hidden gems. It's like a digital travel agent. Feature 14. Learning Accelerator. Want to grasp quantum physics or crypto basics? Ask it to explain like I'm 10. Complex topics made simple. Feature 15. Career Path Finder. Unsure about your future? Share your skills and interests, and ChatGPT suggests career paths tailored to you. Feature 16. Personal Finance Assistant. Need a budget? Tell it your income and expenses. I even asked how to save 10K in a year. It gave me a step-by-step plan. Feature 17. DIY Teacher. Want to fix a faucet or build a shelf? ChatGPT gives clear, step-by-step instructions. I once saved $200 fixing my sink. Feature 18. Health and Fitness Planner. Tell it your goals, and it builds workouts and meal plans. A friend followed a 12-week plan and stuck with it. Feature 19. Daily Journal Partner. Ask it to reflect on your day, your goals, or your emotions. It helps process thoughts and track progress. Feature 20. Speech and Presentation Builder. From wedding toasts to business talks, ChatGPT can outline, polish, and even add humor. Feature 21. Script Writer. YouTube videos, TikToks, or ads, ChatGPT drafts scripts fast. In fact, 80% of this video came from ChatGPT. Feature 22. Resume and Cover Letter Builder. Paste your job history and it generates polished resumes and tailored cover letters. Feature 23. Negotiation Coach. Need to buy a car or ask for a raise? Role-play the conversation with ChatGPT before the real thing. Feature 24. Relationship Helper. Whether it's planning a date night or writing a heartfelt apology, ChatGPT helps with the words and ideas. Feature 25. Life Simulator. Ask, what happens if I quit my job and start freelancing? It'll outline pros, cons, and possible outcomes, like a mini simulation of your future. And that's 25 features most people don't even know exist. But here's the wild part. This is still just the surface. So the question is, which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still only using ChatGPT at 10%. Your 300% AI profit program is waiting. Spots are filling fast. Click the link below this video now and start making profits before you miss out.